The Missing Trucks Mystery, written by Duck Show Studios. The engine spent the night at the Blue Mountain Quarry. Ivo, Hugh, and Rheneas had went off to do their jobs. A worker came to give Millie and Luke their jobs. "Hello," said the worker. "Bonjour, sir," said Millie. "Hello, sir," said Luke. "You two have some good jobs today. You'll be working together." "Working together? Yes, please," said Millie. "Indeed, hooray," said Luke. They were very good friends. "Oh, and as well," said the worker. "Some trucks will be waiting for you near Owen. They're full of stone that Paxton will take to be loaded and transferred into Paxton's standard gauge trucks." "Yes, sir," said Luke. Trucks near Owen to be transferred into Paxton's standard gauge trucks." Millie and Luke worked well together. They pulled trains. Millie was pulling a train, and Luke was pulling a train. "You've got a smudgy face," said Millie. "You do too," laughed Luke. And they puffed along. Later they were sitting waiting for their next job. "Luke," said Millie, "we should go near Owen and check for the trucks for Paxton." "Good idea, Millie," said Luke. So the two engines puffed off to Owen. There were no trucks. "Oh no," said Millie. "Oh dear," said Luke. Ivo Hugh was puffing along with a train of stones. Hello, said Ivo Hugh. Everything going well? "No," said Millie. "Ivo Hugh," said Luke. Do you know where a train of stone trucks to be transferred into Paxton's standard gauge trucks are?" "Oh," said Ivo Hugh. "I thought Rheneas was to bring that train." And he puffed off. Then there was trouble. Paxton arrived. "Hello, everybody," said Paxton. "Oh, where is everyone?" Luke and Millie rushed in. On the dual gauge track. "Hello, Luke. Hello, Millie. Haven't seen you in a while." "Bonjour, Paxton. We don't have your trucks." "Oh, no." "We don't know where they are," said Luke. Oh, it's a mystery. I love a mystery. You two can be detectives and find the missing trucks," said Paxton. "Well, let's be detectives," said Luke. "Indeed," said Millie. And they puffed along. They saw Rheneas. "Rheneas," said Millie, "just the engine we want to see." "We don't know where the trucks you dropped off for Paxton are," said Millie. "Oh, but the worker told me to drop them off near Medic." "That's funny," said Luke. "Yeah," said Millie. "He told us that you dropped them off near Owen." "Oh, a bit of a mix-up, I see. You really are detectives," said Rheneas. They went to Merrick, and sure enough, Rheneas had dropped off the trucks. So they coupled up and took them to see Paxton. "Hooray!" said Paxton. "You solved the mystery." "Yes, we did," said Millie. "Indeed," said Luke. And the stone was loaded into Paxton's trucks. "All right, let's go on a big adventure." And he rolled away. He was a little late, but the Thin controller understood after but he was a little late. Luke and Millie soon went to see the worker again. "Oh, did everything go well? I heard Paxton was a bit late," he said. "He was late because there was a bit of a mix-up. Rheneas left them at Merrick. We thought he was leaving them at Owen." "Oh," said the worker. "I must have got it all muddled. Silly me, I'm sorry." And everyone forgave him.